All right, my friends, my ladies, and my gentlemens. Today we have another video. Oh, let's jump into it. As you can see here, I'm drawing a bee with a totally naked bro riding on top of it. I just have to include animals in my drawings, and I thought this was a funny, silly idea. A little bit of a pun at the end. So this isn't actually like a super easy video to do, but a little side note from that, I just tried to Control Z something, and I moved my hand across my keyboard, and I totally just smashed my Tim's cup like all over my desk, and cleaning that up has been such a pain in my a-hole. But still sipping that steep tea, feeling good about it. So it's a really fast video today. I've been away for about like a week or so, a couple weeks, and just trying to get back in the swing of things. I got laid off today at work, and I'm okay with that actually. That might give me a bit more time to kind of like focus on making some more of these fun drawings for you guys, my peeps out there. You know what I'm saying? Player? Okay, so yeah, this is basically just a butt naked dude. At the start, I just kind of did like a skeleton of what the drawing was gonna be like, and then I kind of 3D'd around it. This drawing actually, like, the time it took is actually like 45 minutes, so I really sped it up and condensed it down to get into like a watchable video. So if you like it, make sure you definitely hit the like button, because from watching other videos, people keep talking about some YouTube algorithm. Not sure how that would all work, but apparently hitting the like button is actually really helpful. So instead of me just creating 39 accounts of myself hitting the like button, maybe I could get some love out there, and also get you guys to hit it too. Alright, so like this bee here, grid eyes, always looks good on the bugs. Made him kind of a furry bee. He looks pretty sweet, I think, actually. This dude put some shine on the ace. Now I'm going to draw in some zigzag, just random patterns, fill those in with black. Classic bee. Done on the PC again. I'm not sure when I'll get back to doing another pencil drawing. Hopefully soon. So just get kind of like a frame for this bee and whatever. And as you can see, I'm drawing in layers. So the first layer is just like a loose pencil sketch, and then my ink layer kind of flushing out, doing some more detail. Just some light cartooning here. Use like an angle tool for the first time here to kind of like draw out the wings a bit. That was pretty fun to do. And then just colored in the black area so it looks like it's a bit more transparent, like you're looking through, like, when you look through like a foggy glass or whatever, and it's not like the exact color, it's like shadows all over my face. Yeah, add some shadow here, add some detail. This bee's coming together quite nice. This dude is, hopefully it's soft on his Johannesburg, if you know what I'm saying. Hopefully it's a soft ride for this guy. And this is kind of like, he's in his birthday suit, so that's why it's called bee suit. So yeah, except that missed opportunity on the lettering, you'll see at the end I didn't put BEE, which I should have done. So yeah, this is just a little fun video, not really a simple tutorial. I'll try to get in another one of those right away here, but I mean, I think we look at this and we definitely have a complete product. Looks great. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Make sure you like, sub, watch, like, sub, watch, like, sub, watch, repeat. You nasty, namasty, you nasty. Peace.